Hey everyone, Ashley here. Welcome to day 4 of our spring 7-day challenge. This is the day where we are coming into alignment with our world. And you're thinking, what in the heck does that mean? So, I personally been noticing that when my outer world is not where it should be, or I'm holding on to things or whatever it is, I'm holding on to something and it just needs to go away. We're in spring, right? This is why, the saying of spring cleaning. We got to spring clean. So here we are. And so for day 4, I'd like you to choose something in your home, and the home meaning it's your closet or it's your kitchen. And what I want you to do is, so for example, in your kitchen, I like for you to go through your pantry and see what is about to expire. Now, you have two things you can do with something that's about to expire. You can make something and eat it for yourself, or you can make something and share it with someone else. Share it with your community, share it with your neighbor. Obviously, make sure that they eat it right away, but have that beautiful effect of, hey, listen, I got this stuff. It's got to get gone. Let's get it gone. I mean, you can also share with your neighbor too and be like, hey, I have this. Even your friends, be like, hey, this is about to expire. I would love to just please someone take it off my hands. So that is one piece you can do, and that involves the kitchen. Another thing you can do is your closet. And this is definitely can be a challenging one. I always recommend, if you can't do it alone, which not many people can, I know I personally have some challenges, get a friend to come over, have your partner with you. But I honestly have someone who's very neutral about things, but yet also has a good eye. And with that said, you want to go through your closet and look at pieces that you've had for 3 months, 6 months, maybe even longer, and be like, listen, I love you, respect you. You're going to Marie Kondo that and just say, bye bye, we're done here. And you can donate that. You can maybe have a clothing swap. I know because of COVID, people don't really do that anymore, but let's bring it back. Have a clothing swap, get some friends to come out, have it somewhere where people can just gather, have some fun, share some clothes, and then donate. Donate to your local women's shelter or your local shelter. Donate to anywhere that's going to take it, that it's going to be helpful to. So that is it for day 4. We're going to have a part 2 of the alignment in your world tomorrow. So be prepared with that. See you later.